loop video is now locked.
I'm going over here, man. Fucking asshole.
Can't be fucking around. We gotta get a spot.
Yeah.
We can try. I don't know. We gotta look this place up, maybe.
No, let's go. I saw it, Mom's. What? Watch out! Watch out!
Shit.
Jesus! You're gonna wet.
Engine 210, ambulance 213, ladder 195, car 219, motor vehicle collision 5300, 5698, Interstate 80 eastbound highway. Engine 210, ambulance 213, ladder 195, car 219, motor vehicle collision 5300, 5698, Interstate 80 eastbound highway. Cross streets are Interstate 80 eastbound 2, Interstate 35 southbound ramp, and Interstate 235 eastbound highway. On arrival use TAC 5. Timeout 1634.
4210, I'm arriving.
1637.
4210, start fire emergent for entrapment.
Copy, fire emergent for entrapment.
All units are out to the interstate for this accident. It's possibly an entrapment now. We're upgrading it. Based on where the calls are plotting, I'm not sure we'll be able to get to it from the southbound to westbound ramp from University. Possibly northbound to westbound, or again from Valley West.
4240.
4240.
We need more cars out here. We have a party pinned under the front windshield. I got, come westbound, we have a Prius involved in the other median. And I need another car eastbound to help me shut down this traffic. I need at least 2 more cars, please.
Copy.
Also, I don't know if they're available, but see if State Patrol can help shut some of this down.
Copy, we'll give them a call.
4455, I'll be in round.
Copy.
4209.
4209.
I'm in route. Can we have channel 3, please?
Copy. All cars on this MVC entrapment moving to channel 3.
4210 direct, moving up 3.